Today we are going to discuss about the next exercise of quadratic equation. So in next exercise we are just solve the equations. The quadratic equations we have to solve. And we previously already discussed the zero product rule. So the zero product rule is we know that if multiple of two numbers, that means a, b equals to 0, then a equals to 0 and simultaneously b equals to 0. So this is the zero product rule. We are using this rule to solve this quadratic equation here. So now let's start our exercise 5.2. In number 3 and 2, see that 6x into 6x minus 1 equals to 35. So now we can write 6x square minus x equals to 35. That means 6x square minus x minus 35 equals to 0. So 35 into 6, that means 7 into 5 into 2 into 3. That means if this is multiplied and these are multiplied, we get 1 here. So 14 and 15. So 6x square minus 15x plus 14x minus 35 equals to 0. That means 3x common here, so 2x minus 5 plus 7 common, 2x minus 5 equals to 0. That means 2x minus 5, 3x plus 7 equals to 0. Now using zero product rule, this equals to 0 and this equals to 0. So either 2x minus 5 equals to 0 implies x equals to 5 by 2, and or 3x plus 7 equals to 0 implies x equals to minus 7 by 3. Okay, so the value of x is 5 by 2 and minus 7 by 3. Note it down all of you. Next problem 5a1. In 5a1, see that 3 into x minus 2 whole square equals to 147. So that means x minus 2 whole square equals to 147 by 3. That means 49. Okay. So x square minus 4x plus 4 equals to 49. So x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 49 equals to 0. That means x square minus 4x minus 45 equals to 0. So 45 means 4 into 5 into 9. So that means x square minus 9x plus 5x minus 45 equals to 0. That means x common. So x minus 9 plus 5x minus 9 equals to 0. That means x minus 9 and x plus 5 equals to 0. So here we can write either x minus 9 equals to 0, that implies x equals to 9, or x plus 5 equals to 0, that implies x equals to minus 5. So the value of x is 9 and minus 5. Note it down all of you. Now next is number 7, 2x square minus 9x plus 10 equals to 0. So that means 2x square 2 into 10, 20. So 4x minus 5x plus 10 equals to 0. 2x common, so x minus 2 minus 5 common, x minus 2 equals to 0. So that means x minus 2, 2x minus 5 equals to 0. So either x minus 2 equals to 0 gives x equals to 2, or 2x minus 5 equals to 0 gives x equals to 5 by 2. So here the value of x is 2 and 5 by 2. In number 1, say that when x belongs to natural number, then the value of x is 2. And number 2, when x belongs to integer, that is x equals to 2 and 5 by 2 both. Okay. Next one. Here q equals to integer or rational number. We can say the rational number also. So q equals to rational number. Okay. So 2 and 5 by 2 is also rational number. So now in number 9, see that a square plus a square plus b square into x plus b square equals to 0. So simple, x square plus a square x plus b square x plus b square equals to 0. That means a square x common, so x plus 1 plus b square common, x plus 1 equals to 0. That means x plus 1 is x square x plus b square equals to 0. So either x plus 1 equals to 0, that implies x equals to minus 1, or a square x plus b square equals to 0 implies x equals to minus b square by a square. Okay. So the value of x is minus 1 and minus b square by a square. Note it down all of you. Now in 10(2), see that 4 root 3x square minus plus 5x minus 2 root 3 given. Now multiple these two only first. So 4 into 2, 8. Root 3 into root 3. So that means 8 into 3, this is 24. Now 24 divided in two parts, we get 5 here. So that is 8 into 3. So now we can write 4 root 3 x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3 equals to 0. Implies 4 common here, 4x common. So that means root 3x plus 2 minus root 3 common. So root 3x plus 2 equals to 0. That means 4x minus root 3 into root 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Either 4x minus root 3 equals to 0, that means x equals to root 3 by 4. Okay. And similarly we can write or root 3x plus 2 equals to 0. That means x equals to minus 2 by root 3. The value of the x is root 2 by 4 and minus 2 by root 3. Note down all of it. Now in 12(2), see that x square by 15 minus x by 3 minus 10 equals to 0. Now if 15 is the LCM, then we can write x square minus 5x minus 150 equals to 0. So that means 15 into 0, 0. So we can write x square minus 5x minus 150 equals to 0. Now 150 I have to divide into two parts, that we get 5. That means x square minus 15x plus 10x minus 150 equals to 0. So x common here, so x minus 15 plus 10 common here, x minus 15 equals to 0. So that means x minus 15, x plus 10 equals to 0. So either x minus 15 equals to 0 gives x equals to 15, or x plus 10 equals to 0 gives x equals to minus 10. So the value of x are minus 10 and 15. Note it down all of it. Now in number 14 to see that very important sum this is. So x by x plus 1 plus x plus 1 by x equals to 2 of 1 by 2. When the same part is there with reverse, see that x by x plus 1 plus x plus 1 by x. Same thing but reversely given. So two processes there. I am showing the easy one. So if normal you can do normal process, otherwise we can do let x by x plus 1 equals to a. That means a plus 1 by a equals to 5 by 2. That means a square plus 1 by a equals to 5 by 2. That means a square minus 5a to a square plus 2 equals to 0. That means 2a square minus 4a minus a plus 2 equals to 0. So that means 2a common, a minus 2 minus 1 common, a minus 2 equals to 0. That means 2a minus 1 and a minus 2 equals to 0. So both are 0. That means either 2a minus 1 equals to 0 implies a equals to half, or a minus 2 equals to 0, that means a equals to 2. So we are already finding the value of a equals to 2 and a equals to half. A equals to 2 and a equals to half. So now go to this part. So we are taking x by x plus 1 equals to a. We have to solve for both the parts. So now x by x plus 1 equals to 2. That means x equals to 2x plus 2. So that means minus x equals to 2. That equals to x equals to minus 2. And also x by x plus 1 equals to half. That means 2x equals to x plus 1. So 2x minus x equals to 1. That means x equals to 1. So that means x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 2 is the answer. Okay, x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 2 is the answer. Put it down all. Now in 15.1, see that in 15.1, x plus 1 by x minus 1 plus x minus 2 by x plus 2 equals to 3. So this is given. So these are LCM, so we can write here x minus 1 x plus 2 equals to 3. Multiplication, cross multiplication, so x plus 1 x plus 2 plus x minus 1 x minus 2. Okay. Now multiply x square plus 3x plus 2 plus x square minus 3x plus 2 and x square minus x minus 2 equals to 3. Okay, 3x cancelled. So now x square plus x square 2x square plus 4 equals to, multiplication is this, 3x square minus 3x minus 6. So now 3x square minus 3x minus 6 minus 2x square minus 4 equals to 0. So that means x square minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. X square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equals to 0. X common, x minus 5 plus 2 common, x minus 5 equals to 0. Now we can write x minus 5, x plus 2 equals to 0. So either x minus 5 equals to 0, that means x equals to 5, or x plus 2 equals to 0, that means x equals to minus 2. So the value of x is minus 2 and 5. Note it down, all of you. Now 16.2, in 16.2, see that 1 and 2 are same sum, one hints is there, so it is homework. So number 2, 1 by 2a plus b plus 2x equal to 1 by 2a plus 1 by b plus 1 by 2x. Okay. Now x part in the left hand side. So 1 by 2a plus b plus 2x minus 1 by 2x equals to 1 by 2a plus 1 by b. Now LCM, 2x, 2a plus b plus 2x, 2a plus b. So here, sorry, 2ab, 2a plus b, and here 2x minus 2a minus b minus 2x, 2x cancelled, 2 and 2 cancelled. So that means minus of 2a plus b by 2ax plus bx plus 2x square equals to 2a plus b by ab. 2a plus b cancelled. So now we can write 2ax plus 2x square plus bx equals to minus ab left hand side plus ab equals to 0. So 2x common, that is a plus x, and here also b common, a plus x equals to 0. So that means 2x plus b, a plus x equals to 0. So now either or, so either 2x plus b equals to 0 implies x equals to minus b by 2 is the answer, one answer, and x plus a or equals to 0 gives x equals to minus a. So x equals to minus a and minus b by 2 is the answer. Now same sum, previous years, this sum is changed in this year. In the previous years, another sum is there in the exercise. I am giving you for the homework. Now see that. So this is 1 by a plus b plus x equals to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x, where x AB not equals to 0. So this is sum for the homework. Okay. Now, next one. Now in number 17, see that 1 by x plus 6 plus 1 by x minus 10 equals to 3 by x minus 4 given. Now normal LCM, so x plus 6, x minus 10 equals to 3 by x minus 4. So that means x minus 10 plus x minus plus 6. So that means 2x minus 4 by x square minus 4x minus 60 equals to 3 by x minus 4. Now multiplication. So this is 2x square minus 4x minus 8x, and this is minus 12x plus 16 equals to 3x square minus 12x minus 180. Okay. So now 3x square minus 12x minus 180 minus 2x square plus 12x minus 16 equals to 0. So 12x and 12x can, sorry. This is 12x cancelled. So we can write here 2x square minus 3x square is x square minus 196 equals to 0. That means x square equals to whole square minus 16 square equals to 0. So that means a plus a square minus b square, that means a plus b into a minus b. So x plus 16, x minus 16 equals to 0. Now we can write either or. So either x plus 16 equals to 0 implies x equals to minus 16, or x minus 16 equals to 0, that means x equals to 16. The value of x are 16 and minus 16. Okay, note it down all of it. Now in number 18 to see that root x into x minus 7 equals to 3 root 2. Now squaring both sides, we can write. So root is gone. So x into x minus 7, and this is squared. That means 3 square 9, 9 into 2 18. So right here squaring both sides. Now x square minus 7x minus 18 equals to 0. X square minus 9x plus 2x minus 18 equals to 0. X common, x minus 9 plus 2 common, x minus 9 equals to 0. So that means x minus 9, x plus 2 equals to 0. Either x minus 9 equals to 0 implies x equals to 9, or x plus 2 equals to 0 implies x equals to minus 2. So here x equals to 9 and x equals to minus 2 is answer. Note it down. In number 19, see that use the substitution y equals to 3x plus 1. So y equals to 3x plus 1 given. To solve for x, that is 5 x 3x plus 1 whole square plus 6 into 3x plus 1 minus 8 equals to 0. So now substitute it first. So 5 y square plus 6y minus 8 equals to 0. 8 into 5, that is 40. So you have to divide 40 and you have to get 6, that means 10 into 4. So 5 y square plus 10y minus 4y minus 8 equals to 0. That means 5y common, y plus 2 minus 4y plus 2 equals to 0. That means y plus 2, 5y minus 4 equals to 0. So either y plus 2 equals to 0 gives y equals to minus 2, and or 5y minus 4 equals to 0 gives y equals to 4 by 5. So this is the value of y. The y value is y equals to minus 2 and y equals to 4 by 5. Now we know that y equals to 3x plus 1. So now you have to put this value in this one. Okay. That means now 3x plus 1 equals to minus 2. That means 3x equals to minus 3, x equals to minus 1. So x equals to minus 1. Also 3x plus 1 equals to 4 by 5. That means 15x plus 5 equals to 4. 15x equals to minus 1. X equals to minus 1 by 15. So value of x are minus 1 and minus 1 by 15. Okay, note it down all of you. Now in number 20, see that find the value of x if p plus 1 equals to 0. That means p equals to minus 1. And x square plus px minus 6 equals to 0. That means x square minus x minus 6 equals to 0. So x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. So x common, x minus 3 plus 2 common, x minus 3 equals to 0. So x minus 3, x plus 2 equals to 0. So either x minus 3 equals to 0 gives x equals to 3, or x plus 2 equals to 0 give x equals to minus 2. So the value of x are minus 2 and 3. Note it down a little bit. In next number 21, in 21 see that find the value of x if p plus 7 equals to 0. That means p equals to minus 7. And q minus 12 equals to 0 implies q equals to 12. Okay. So now the given is x square plus px plus q equals to 0. So that means we can write x square minus 7x minus 12 equals to 0. So that means x square minus 4x minus 3x minus 12 equals to 0. This is plus 12, sorry. So x is x minus 4 minus 3, x minus 4 equals to 0. That implies x minus 4, x minus 3 equals to 0. So either x minus 4 equals to 0 implies x equals to 4, or x minus 3 equals to 0 implies x equals to 3. So the values are x equals to 3 and x equals to 4. Now, note it down a little bit. Next one. Now in number 23, see that x equals to 3 is a solution of the equation k. X equals to 3, the solution of the equation k plus 2 x square minus kx plus 6 equals to 0. So x equals to 3 given. So that means k plus 2 into 9 minus k into 3 plus 6 equals to 0. Now if you broke it, so 9k plus 18 minus 3k plus 6 equals to 0. So that means 6k plus 24 equals to 0. So k equals to minus 4. So k equals to minus 4 here. Okay. Now you have to put the value of k and you have to find the another root of the equation. You already give the x equals to 3 and you have to find the another root. Now you have to put the value of k in this equation and we get another root. Now see that. Note it down, all of you. So now k equals to minus 4. So minus 4 plus 2 x square minus 4x, that means plus 4 plus 6 equals to 0. So that means minus 2x square plus 4x plus 6 equals to 0. Minus 2 common, so x square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So now minus 2 is going to this side, that means 0. We only solve this part only. So x square minus 2x, that means 3 minus 1. So 3x plus x minus 3 equals to 0. So that means x common, x minus 3 plus 1, x minus 3 equals to 0. That means x minus 3, x plus 1 equals to 0. So either x minus 3 equals to 0 give x equals to 3, which is already given. So x equals to 3 given, and or x plus 1 equals to 0, that implies x equals to minus 1. So another root of this equations is minus 1. Okay, so that's all for this exercise. Thank you all. Take care. Bye. And also rest of the sums are homework. Okay, bye bye.